Okay, in this video I'm going to explain conceptually how I would do multiplication in my head. What I have in front of me is the problem 1 times 3, and we want to figure out what that is. Now what I basically do is I think of it as, okay, I have 1 and I'm going to add that together 3 times or multiply by 3. So we start out with 1 and I'll have an apple there, and we add 1, and then we're doing 1 3 times, so we do it a third time, we add 1 again, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that's going to equal 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. So I have, and you see I have 3 apples there. Now let's go to the next question here, and the next question says what is 0 times 4? Now, 0 is pretty straightforward, but I'm going to walk through the concept and I'll explain it. Okay, so we have 0, and we have 0 4 times. So we're going to add 0 together 4 times. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, and that's going to equal 0. So basically what I'm trying to say is anytime you have 0, and you multiply that by any number, it could be 0, 1, 2, 10, 100, that number is going to equal 0. Because nothing times nothing equals nothing, and no matter how many times you add nothing together, you have nothing. So that's a straightforward or a quicker way to answer that type of question. Now let's take a look at a little bit more complicated one, or a semi-complicated one. We have the problem 5 multiplied by 2, and we want to know what that equals. Well, conceptually, to do this, we're going to say, okay, 5 times 2, well, that's going to be equal to basically 5 plus 5. We're basically adding 5 together 2 times. So we have 5 here. I got 5 leaves, and then we're going to add 5 more leaves. So I've got a total of 10 leaves there, and if you count the leaves, we have 10. And we're going to take a look at one more example here. In this question right here, I have 7 times 3. Now, if you're thinking conceptually from the last one, we take the 7 number and we are going to add it together 3 times, because 7 multiplied 3 is basically the same as adding 7 together 3 times. So I have 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now 7 plus 7 is 14, and 14 plus 7 is 21. And if you double check visually here, there should be 21 leaves total. I'm not going to waste your time and count through them all, but if you'd like, you can hit pause. And conceptually, that is how I would tackle any multiplication problems, I think. Okay, the 7 number here times 3. Okay, well, if I have 7 and it's multiplied by 3, well, that's basically the same as adding 7 together 3 times. And that concludes our tutorial for how basic multiplication works. Thank you for watching.